5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're live. Okay, guys, good to see you all here. Glad you managed to jump onto my video here. This is the Tube Domination review. It's just a quick review showing you the back end and explaining to you a little bit about the product. Tube Domination is part of the family of products that's put together by Wayne Crowe. This particular product is with Wayne Crowe, Manny Hanif, that did Traffic Nemesis with Wayne as well, and then Keith Dougherty is the founder and the main guy between Keyword Sniper software, which is something I'll explain to you in a few minutes as well. So what is Tube Domination? Tube Domination here, what you're doing is you're looking at the back end, at the front end, the membership area of the software. I want to go through all the different steps here that are available and explain to you a little bit about that sort of stuff as well. So before we go on, what is Tube Domination? Tube Domination is a step-by-step video course designed to show you how to make money from your YouTube account simply by posting and leveraging free traffic. That's the explanation. This is a newbie-friendly system that shows you how to set up money decks for your affiliate offers and how to build a targeted mailing list in the process. It's a great product to help you grow your YouTube subscribers, get more subscribers and get more interaction and start making money off of YouTube. So that's basically what the Tube Domination is. What I've done is I've been through this already through the training, and like all the other products from the Traffic Domination family, you'll see that this is a really good training and so much value for money as well. So what we do is we go through everything in here and let's explain to you a little bit about what's going on. So when you first sign up for Tube Domination, this is where you'll be sent. This is the membership area. You'll create an account and you'll be able to come in here as often as you like and go through it and digest all the information in here. It's something you're going to want to bookmark and come back to time and time again because there's a lot of valuable information in here. It's not just a once-off, go through it and you're done sort of program. So here we go. Access the group. Basically what we're talking about here is access to Facebook group. Now what is the Facebook group? The Facebook group is Traffic Domination, and this is a community of like-minded individuals that are basically looking to do online marketing, email marketing, any sort of business online. They're a very helpful group. There's loads of people in there and very supportive. And Wayne Crowe is the owner of the group, and he does a lot of live videos, a lot of live training, and every Friday he does a Q&A as well. So you get through on the group and you'll be able to avail all of that training inside free of charge as well. So it's a real good group to be a part of. So next section going down is about getting started. After getting started, you go through the 7 simple steps, which is really what Tube Domination is all about. After that, you've got Tube Domination additional strategies in there. After that, you've got some bonus sections as well, and then some case studies. That's basically what's happening in the membership area. If you go down further, you'll see Access Tube Domination Group, which is basically the same group as Facebook here. So it sends you to Traffic Domination. Moving on down further, you'll be able to go to Tube Domination Money Link. This is your affiliate link. If you are an affiliate, you'll be able to click on this link, go to Warrior Plus and apply to become an affiliate. The next part is it's an upsell. This is upsell number 3. So you've got full resale rights for the whole product and access to the 30 days email journey hacks as well. Upsell 2 is 25 plus done for you plug and play posts for your YouTube channel. So these are pre-scripted and pre-crafted posts. You put your own data in there and then you use these posts to promote your YouTube channel as well. Upsell, another upsell. Here is keyword sniper software, and this is Keith's program here. He's got this great software in here to teach you and show you how to generate keywords that you then use within your promotions and with all of your text and all the posts and everything else you do when you're trying to promote your channel. You use different keywords, and everything is in this software as well. So the upsells are there, which are obviously very, very worthwhile getting the upsells. You might not want to go to upsell number 3, but these 2 upsells here are definitely a plus to this whole program as well. All right, so that's it. So yeah, so you got Keith, you got Wayne, and you got Manny here. So these guys here have created this program, and this training, and it is really, really awesome. Let's go through then. Getting started on here is basically some stuff here about getting started, and it walks you through the membership area. Basically, Keith's running the program, and he's just walking you through the money, through the welcome, and through this whole membership area as well in detail. Okay, so second section is Tube Domination, which is the 7 simple steps. And they basically are how to make money, obviously with YouTube, deep market dive, your black swan, the money deck, setting up your base, deploy the money magnet, and leverage the free traffic. All these are explained one by one. They're all different videos, so if you go through them all here, and each video you'll notice as you go down, they've got a separate resource that you can download free as well. So that's really, really, really good, because then you can follow through the whole program, and then you download all this stuff and you keep it for yourself to review as well. Okay, so you can see that every one of these has got a video, and they're not that long videos, and they're all quite short, but it gives you a lot of instruction and tells you how to get going and get started as well. So it's very, very good. Next we move down is Tube Domination additional strategies here. Talking to you about slideshow videos, how to set up different slideshow videos here. 10x your views on YouTube, how to do that, and how to get more views, and how to promote your channel, which is great. Status update feature, how to do some tweaking on your channel as well, so you can get more subscribers as well, which is good. SEO here, how to SEO and how to promote your channel, how to use different trends and then win big on YouTube. These techniques are getting a little bit more advanced as you go down, but once you get into them, obviously it's here for you for lifetime, so you can go back and watch these videos at any time you want. Watch each one with a notepad and a pen. I would suggest that you go through each one of these additional strategies. You do the video, you watch the video, then you go off and you do what's suggested there before you move on to the next one, because it would all help you get the most benefit out of this whole program. Next thing is you go down to the bonuses here, and this is the new science of getting rich. This is Keith's program that he's put together, and it's really, really awesome. It talks about gratitude. It talks about your thought desires equals things, visualizations, feelings, believe, receive, and gratitude. These are all sort of things that you need to, they're all sort of psychological things that helps you get the most out of life and get the most out of your online business as well. So this is a great additional course which has been thrown in as well, which is bloody awesome actually. Case studies, there's 3 case studies here, and they talk about how they've basically used these techniques and this whole training here to generate income and to increase their business online. So there's 3 case studies for you to go through and listen as well. That's it. That's really where we are with everything. It's really good. Just go through everything slowly, but basically go back and then apply everything that you learn on this training, and you'll see that you'll be able to increase your subscriber base on YouTube. You'll be able to start making money on YouTube, and it shows you a little bit about how you set up your channel and the best, some good practices as well. So That's it, guys. Hope you got something out of this today. I look forward to meeting you on the inside, either in the Facebook group or through my email, through my own Facebook pages as well. It'd be really great to meet you guys. Any questions, as I said, let me know, and look forward to seeing you on the inside. All right. Thanks very much, guys. See you soon. Cheers. Bye.